Hello friends, I welcome you to my channel. I am Comrade Lamba Paul. In the series of mental health today, we shall be looking at the types of mental illness. When discussing the types of mental health, it's more accurate to refer to types of mental illnesses or mental disorders. Mental health itself is a broad term encompassing our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Mental illnesses are specific conditions that can impact this well-being. Here's a breakdown of the major types of mental illnesses, often categorized by their primary symptoms or characteristics. 1. Anxiety disorders. These are characterized by excessive and persistent fear and worry. A. Generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, chronic, exaggerated worry about everyday events. B. Panic disorder, recurrent, sudden attacks of intense fear and physical symptoms. C. Social anxiety disorder, intense fear of social situations. D. Specific phobias, intense, irrational fear of a particular object or situation, e.g., spiders, heights. E. Obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, characterized by intrusive, unwanted thoughts, obsessions, and repetitive behaviors, compulsions. While previously categorized under anxiety, it's now often in its own category due to unique features. F. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, develops after experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event, leading to flashbacks, nightmares, and severe anxiety. This is also often in its own category, trauma and stressor-related disorders. 2. Mood disorders, affective disorders. These involve persistent changes in mood. A. Major depressive disorder, depression, persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, loss of interest, and other symptoms that interfere with daily life. B. Bipolar disorder. Episodes of dramatic mood swings, ranging from extreme highs, mania or hypomania, to lows, depression. C. Persistent depressive disorder, dysthymia, a chronic, milder form of depression. 3. Psychotic disorders. These are characterized by a detachment from reality, often involving delusions and hallucinations. A. Schizophrenia, a chronic and severe mental disorder affecting thinking, feeling, and behavior, often involving hallucinations, delusions, and disorganized thought. B. Schizoaffective disorder, a combination of schizophrenia symptoms and mood disorder symptoms. C. Delusional disorder, primarily characterized by the presence of non-bizarre delusions. 4. Personality disorders. These are long-standing, inflexible, and unhealthy patterns of thinking, functioning, and behaving. They are grouped into 3 clusters. A cluster A, odd, eccentric, paranoid, schizoid, schizotypal personality disorders. B. Cluster B, dramatic, emotional, erratic, antisocial, borderline, histrionic, narcissistic personality disorders. C. Cluster C, anxious, fearful, avoidant, dependent, obsessive-compulsive personality disorders. Note: OCPD is different from OCD. 5. Eating disorders. Serious conditions characterized by severe disturbances in eating behaviors and related thoughts and emotions. A. Anorexia nervosa, self-starvation and extreme weight loss. B. Bulimia nervosa, binge eating followed by compensatory behaviors like purging. C. Binge eating disorder, recurrent episodes of eating large quantities of food without compensatory behaviors. Mental illness is a very serious health condition. Therefore, prevent it so that you will live healthy. We shall be looking at the other 5 types of mental health in the next video. Kindly like, subscribe and share with others.